Hi everybody, it's going to be a beautiful Thursday. I want to show you the visible satellite picture. So I'm up here on a break at home in Vancouver. This is the visible satellite picture. We have overcast skies. See that little batch of clouds that extends along the Columbia into North Portland, but you get out into Hillsboro and really even downtown Portland and it's sunny. So one little batch of clouds, that was a weak marine push that came in the Columbia River Gap. Otherwise, we're clear this morning. So if you wake up and it's cloudy, man, I thought it was going to be sunny. What's going on? This is always a good place to look, and again, that is on the visible satellite picture on my imagery page. And then, of course, also it's always great, I think, to pull up the live cameras. You see overcast along the north coast, Tillamook Head right there, covered up from the Gerhardt by the Sea camera. Little thin cloud cover at the Channel House, the gorgeous sunny. This was cloudy, but now Gresham is reporting sun, so those low clouds are starting to break up. Whale Cove starting to break up. Beautiful sunshine out in the gorge. No haze this morning to speak of over in Central Oregon from the Aspen Lakes Golf Course of Three Sisters. They've had some controlled burns over there. And then, of course, yesterday we had the late day brush fire that broke out quickly along I-84 out in the Dalles area. That was fairly quickly extinguished after a bit of a scare. And there is a fire weather watch today for Central Oregon and basically from near Hood River and off to the east of the Dalles and out into Pendleton, where winds this afternoon will be breezy at about 25 or 30 miles per hour. Of course, it's very dry. And it's still going to be 90s east of the Cascades, although not as hot as it has been. Portland's big story, that takes me to our big story, which is the cool down. I'm sure you felt that it was a little bit more pleasant this morning. And let me break this down. So today, instead of being 90 or better, we were 95 Tuesday, 90 yesterday, only 82. Really nice, right? Tomorrow, look for some areas of morning clouds, which we had a touch of this morning. I expect that again tomorrow. And then we could see some increasing clouds later in the day, but really a nice Friday, partly cloudy overall, 77. Forecast models love some rain coming in overnight Friday and the first thing Saturday morning. One of the models puts out about 5/100ths of an inch. Not a lot, but some. And then we have the continuing scattered shower threat on Sunday, Monday, maybe into Tuesday. But all of this together, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, is probably going to end up being less than 0.2 of an inch of total rainfall. So maybe we get 5/100 Saturday. Maybe we only get a trace or 1 or 2/100ths of an inch on Sunday. And maybe we don't get much more than 2 or 3/100ths on Monday. So again, cooler weather pattern, a mix of cloudiness, highs. If we see enough cloud cover, it would only be in the 60s. And then Wednesday of next week, we leave that behind and we have a great day, sunshine 75. And that following Thursday right now looks like it would be back up into the 80s. Again, you can always read my comments with the 7-day forecast. So let me close. It's what time is it? It's coming up on 10 o'clock in the morning. We're at 64 degrees. Salem's already at 70. And again, this shows you all the current temperatures. And if you don't know, and you like to feel like I'm getting my specific forecast, on this current temperature map, if you just click your city, like there's Beaverton, this will take you to the National Weather Service automated forecast product for the next 7 days. Most of the time, it's going to be pretty similar to the 7-day you're looking at that I published for Portland. But sometimes there can be a little differences. And again, if you hit the view worded forecast, you get all of that from our friends at the National Weather Service. Beaverton today, NWS is going 79, for example. Tons of information on the site. The best way to connect with me is on my Rod Hill Portland Weather Facebook page. If you have any questions about the site, something you'd like to see I don't have, or a weather question, I'll get back to you. I'll talk to you soon.